everyone, this is Nick from Filmmakers. When Sony reached out to me asking if I were interested in this brand new demo unit, the Fx2, I simply couldn't say no. Only for the next couple of days I had the privilege to test out and see what is this camera capable of. And I'm very curious to know what do you think about these footages. So let's deep dive and enjoy some footages with this boy.
There's a place where time does not rush, where the past and present dance in the reflection of endless waters. A place sculpted by hand, by hope, and by centuries of devotion. Here, marble palaces rise from the sea like dreams made solid. Narrow alleyways weave a labyrinth of secrets, waiting for those who dare to lose themselves. The air carries a delicate perfume of salt, of stone, of stories whispered across the tides. In Venice, every corner hums with an ancient song. A song of gondoliers gliding through misty canals, of bells echoing through a golden dusk, of lives lived slowly, fully, passionately. And beyond the grand canals, in the heart of tradition, furnaces blaze with a sacred fire. Here, master artisans breathe life into molten glass, shaping fragile wonders with hands that remember 1,000 years of craft. Each curve, each color, a testament to a spirit that refuses to be forgotten. Venice is not just seen, it is felt. It is a living memory, a fleeting dream, a masterpiece born of earth and sea. This is Venice. This is Italy's eternal jewel.